So, Yamina, here's another question that we got from our viewer who's asking how long does it typically take for the approval of temporary work authorization for a new employer under the new LMIA exempt policy?
So I'm a little bit confused by this question because it could refer to two separate processes. The first thing it could refer to is when an employer makes an online account
Mhm.
on the IRCC employer portal website, which should take a few business days. If they are referring to a new employer um, being authorized, generally when we talk about an LMIA exempt work permit, there's no official employer authorization process. The employer creates an account, they issue a job offer to the employee, and then the employee applies for the work permit. In that way, it's a little bit different from the non-LMIA exempt stream, where the employer makes the account and then they apply for the LMIA. And part of the LMIA process is checking the business legitimacy. And then the employer can apply for the work permit. So in this situation, I wonder if this person is confused. If they're not confused and what they're talking about is the creation of the employer account, that should only take a few business days. But often it's government technology, it does glitch. If it hasn't gone through yet, their employer should contact the employer contact center. They're generally very helpful when I call them and they pick up right away.
Absolutely. And I'm sure that our viewers need to have expert guidance at this time because in 2025, uncertainty is also here. So, friends, you can also go ahead and get in touch with attorney Yameena Ansari. You just have to visit this link and you'll get the contact details of her. So, go ahead and ask any question that you're facing right now in your immigration journey.
You know why I'm vacationing in Dubai right now? Because I stopped drowning in RFEs, intake calls, and late night filings. I used to hire freelancers who barely knew what a G28 was. Total chaos. Then I found IMI Support, virtual immigration paralegals trained in real case prep, docket-wise, and USCIS workflows. Now my calendar's clean, my clients are happy, and my firm runs while I relax. You can hustle or you can outsource smart. I chose freedom. I chose IMI Support.